Today, we're going to explain one of the easiest and fastest ways to recover your device. In this video tutorial, we won't be using a PC. This is a completely PC-free method. We'll explain step by step how to fix and recover your cell phone. First, we'll connect to a Wi-Fi network before starting the recovery process. We also want to mention that in the video description and the first pinned comment, we've included other methods, some for PC and others without. You can find them there. Before starting the process, we always recommend watching the video tutorial step by step to the end without skipping ahead so you don't miss any details and can fix your cell phone. Now, let's connect to a Wi-Fi network to begin the recovery. Click Next here, wait for it to appear, and click Next again. We'll connect to a network. Now that we're connected to a Wi-Fi network, we'll go to where the following appears. That's the screen lock where we see the Google account. So, having said all that, we're going to configure a series of settings that will allow us to access and recover our phone. In this video tutorial, as we've indicated, we won't be using any PC methods. This is a completely PC-free method where we'll explain all the steps to access your device. As you can see, here we have this screen lock. Here it says to use a Google account. Having done all that, now, for those who might have and remember their Google account, you can add the email here. Click Next. Enter the password, and it will give you access to recover your phone. That would be one of the fastest and easiest options. But let's say you don't remember any of that. It also gives you the option of adding a phone number. The phone number you have added to your Gmail account. So you add that phone number, click on Next. You will receive a recovery code so you can access and recover your cell phone. If you don't have that, then click here, where it says Forget Gmail. Here you'll write the following. Click Next and write it here and click Next. Click Next again and write it here as well. Now we're going to wait 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds, we're going to go back to start this recovery process. One of the easiest and fastest ways to access and fix your device. Having said all that, after those 30 seconds, we're going to go back. We'll go back. Back. Let's see what appears here. Previously, these options worked, but they're now disabled. None of these options appear anymore. So, we're going to go back again. Click back, and now we're going to click forward. After having clicked back, we're going to click forward here, and then we'll click here where it says Android. We'll click on Android. Being here in this option, what we're going to do is need another cell phone. We're going to need another cell phone where we'll be able to recover our phone with a completely unlocked device. What do I need? We need a screen lock and we need a Google account. Having both the screen lock, the Google account, and being connected to a network. With Wi-Fi, in some cases the synchronization doesn't happen right away. But sometimes it doesn't happen at all for some people. If that's your case, then what you have to look for is a Google option. Let's select a Google option and click on the camera icon. We're going to give it all the permissions. Let's select that camera icon. Click here to access it. Click here to access it. Let's go back to view it. We select the camera icon. Let's give it all the settings. All the permissions first. Let's give it all those permissions. We give it all the permissions for the camera. The camera. Now, since we have given it all those permissions, we are going to scan this QR code and now we see this option where it tells us to sign in to a Google account. Let's click here where it says sign in from Google and we're going to sync both devices. What we're going to do here is sync the lock screen on this phone, and we'll also sync the Google account. We'll sync the account on this device and the account here. And we'll also sync the screen lock we added here. Once it's synced, we're going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time until our phone restarts. When we do that and our phone restarts, we'll wait until it takes us directly to the home screen. When it takes us directly to the home screen, our phone will give us the option to recover. In one of the easiest and most complete ways. We'll wait a few seconds here. We'll wait until it takes us directly to the home screen. Here, automatically added, and the account from the other phone will be giving us the recovery option to recover our phone without needing to use the other app tool. A method without a PC for those who might want to see other methods. Methods using a PC or other methods without a PC. In the video description, we have many completely different methods for you to try. To test those other methods and also to find solutions with other video tutorials. Having said all that, let's wait until we get to the section where it will appear that the Google account we had on the other phone has been added here on this device. When that option appears, indicating that the account has been added, then we would be finalizing this configuration, because now what we have to do is configure it. To get to the home screen, here we have the email we had there. We have it here. We click next and then it will take us to this other section. It will take us here. We click here where it says do not copy. We click here on skip. We click on skip. This will take us to Google Services where the email also appears. As you can see here, the email appears. We are going to click here. Do not make any backup, and here we would be finishing this recovery of our cell phone. You know, if our video works for you, subscribe, activate the bell, like it, share it, and leave a good comment. From here, it will take us directly to the home, and what we have to do now is configure our phone. This would be all of this video tutorial.